In this quick tutorial I will show you where to find the ammo vendor in Orgrimmar, where you can buy bullets and arrows in Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, aka WOTLK Classic. So we have two locations, one with a vendor who will sell only bullets and one who will sell as well arrows. The first location is right here in Orgrimmar, so I'm located in Durotar and Orgrimmar right here in the north, in the Valley of Strength. You can find the building right here, is right next to the action house. Let's enter this house. You can find this Tauren who will sell you bullets right here, and she will sell you all kind of bullets. These are all the bullets she have for sale, up to levels 55, starting with level 1. So now let's move to the second location. I will show you another vendor who will have as well arrows for selling. Okay, is right here, right next to the Orgrimmar entrance, right here. We have to turn right, and this is the building with the second vendor, the General Goods. Let's speak with him, and he will have at the third page arrows for selling as well, starting for level 1, 25, 10, and also he will have bullets and arrows up to level 50, 55. So that's the location for the ammo vendor in Orgrimmar, for the arrow vendor and for the bullets vendor. I hope this WOTLK Classic tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.